What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream from the Scalar Learning Channel. It is me, Huzefa, back in the mix doing more SAT prep work. For all you guys who've been loyal and watching and hopefully benefiting. Sorry, just checking my audio. We are on a roll leading up to this Saturday where there's another SAT. So I will be doing a stream every day doing these mini tests, which I think are super helpful from Khan Academy. The best stuff on Khan Academy, in my personal opinion. And we're going to be doing them. We're going to be doing them timed in real time for the first time, which is the most fun and is also, I feel like, the most beneficial and helpful for a lot of you guys. So what is up, Show DJ? What is up, Leo boy? And here we go with a mini test. This is a timed, no calculator mini test for 13 minutes. So we're going to walk through it and knock it out. By the way, if you haven't done so yet, we are so excited because we've got this amazing video course that we've been working on for a super long time. We got 3 full practice tests, 3 full sets of video explanations for all the practice tests. So this is content that's only found in our paid video course. If you do want to check it out, if you like the stuff we do on YouTube, now you got 3 extra practice tests that you can take from the video course. You can check on that in the description link below. It's $30 a month. So you can sign up for a month and quit after a month. So if you compare it across the board, it's by far the cheapest thing you can find in terms of the quality and the production and whatnot. So I've worked really hard to make these practice tests as amazing and representative as possible. Plus, we got the personalized video explanation, so should be pretty sweet. And that is it. And also, if you want to join our Discord community, you can do that as well in the link below. It's totally free, totally awesome. So how are you, Malek? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Laya, Fidam, what's up? Get XL, sorry, what's up? All right. Without further ado, let's do this thing. So we're going to start. Oh, no, we don't need a timer here. So I'm going to leave that open. We don't need a calculator because there's no calculator. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Oops. There we go. 4 plus 5m equals which of the following best describes the solution set to the equation above? Check it out. This becomes 5m on this side. These cancel out. 4 does not equal 1, a.k.a. no soluciones. So the bottom line is, like, if the variables match up 5m and 5m and the numbers don't, it's no solution. Next, a circle in the xy plane has this equation. Which of the following best describes the location of the center of the circle? So the center is going to be the opposite of these. Negative 17.5 comma positive 15.3 repeating. They normally don't have these types of weird decimals on the SAT. So that is correct. That is correct. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. And then the radius, this is the radius squared. So the radius is the square root of this, which means A is the winner. Boom, done. Next. If A of x equals that and B of x equals that, which of the following is equivalent to 8 times B of x? Okay, all we're doing is we are multiplying these two together. That's it, multiplying the two functions. So we got a little foiling happening in the mix. Check it out. Boom, 12x squared. Boom, minus 28x. Boom, minus 15x. Notice how I stack them to make it easier to simplify at the end. And then plus 35. Combine these guys. These are like terms here. So we got 12x squared minus 30, 43x plus 35. D for the win. Done. Make sure I didn't make any mistakes. Negative 28, negative 15. Yeah, we're good. Li Qiang is listening to a symphony that has 2 movements. The first movement has 3 beats per measure. 3 beats per measure. I've seen this question before, and it's so weird. Okay. Li Qiang is listening to a symphony that has 2 movements. The first movement is 3 beats per measure, and the second movement is 4 beats per measure. The symphony has 446 measures, exactly 446. Okay. In an attempt to count the beats, Li Qiang counts at least x of the beats in the first movement and B of the beats in the second movement. Let A be the number of beats in the first movement. Oh my God, how many variables do we have here? Let A be the number of beats in the first, what? At least X. Hold on. Li Qiang counts at least X beats in the first movement and exactly B beats in the second movement. Okay, exactly B beats in the second movement. And A be the number of B and B be the number of beats in the second movement. Which of the following inequalities must be true? Okay, so we got 446. Now, normally we would say that since that's B and this is A, we got A beats. So 3 beats per measure. So we could say the correct equation would be A over 3 plus B over 4, right? We take the total number of beats, B, and divide it, beats, we divide it by 4 and we get the number of measures. And these measures equal that. But X counts at least X of the beats in the first movement. So it's going to be less. So X is counts at least B beats, at least X of the beats. This is so weird. I've never seen a problem like this. I remember when I saw it before. Because the first time I saw it too, I was like, what is this? But anyway, so we're going to replace this with X. I know it's going to be one of these two. And then X is actually less than A. Because we know X is less than A. So I believe this is going to be less than or equal to 446. Because A is actually bigger. A is actually bigger than X, so I believe this is the answer. Not a representative problem whatsoever, super weird. And even now, reading it the second time, and I don't even remember which one is the right answer, but we'll see at the end. But it's a very strange question. Hopefully I did it correctly. Okay, a car rental company charges $34.50 a day plus 6% tax. $34.50 a day plus 6% plus tax 6% to rent the economy size car. Okay. Additionally, the company charges a one-time untaxed fee, so that's outside of the tax. So per day, so it's this per day times 1.06, and then it's this plus this equals 190. So it's this plus this equals 193.98. Okay, which of the following equations models the situation? So it should be 34.30d times 1.06, which is exactly what we have. And this is always my advice, is to write it out yourself first, even if it doesn't look exact, but it pretty much does look exact to answer choice C, because this is untaxed. So we don't want the 1.06 applied to that guy. And this is a one-time fee, so it shouldn't be multiplied by D, you see? So this is the only one that's legit. C is the winner. Done. Which of the following is equivalent above? Remember what I say in these situations. Factor, factor, factor. Don't even think about it. So the top one, we will use star method. We've got A. This is A, B, and C. So we got 3, 3. We got 3 times -2, which is -6. And we got 1 at the bottom. What multiplies -6 adds to 1. That would be 3 and -2. Reduce to 1, 1. So this factors to 3x minus 2 times x plus 1. I have more details on how to do star method in my critical concept videos if you want to see that again. Now here is star method down there. So we got 3, which is the A term. 3 times 2 is 6, -5. So what multiplies to +6 adds to -5, -3, -2, boom, boom, 1, -1. And we've got 3x minus 2, x minus 1, cancel, cancel. And we got x plus 1 over x minus 1, which is C. Boom, done. For a function g, the graph of y equals g of x is shown at the left. When g of x is divided by x plus 10, the remainder is -20. Oh, this is the remainder, what is it called? Remainder theorem. So divided by this means the same as when you plug in -10. So for a function g of x, shown at the left, when g of x is divided by -10, x plus 10, which is you plug in -10, the remainder is -20. -10. So that means this here is -20. Which of the following is close to the remainder when g of x is divided by +10? So we know it's a positive value. And since that's -20, 28 would be up here. So this is probably 2. So that's out. It's obviously positive. 2 for the win and done. Okay, the equation, this is right on the xy plane, which is following equations, has a graph that's perpendicular to this above equation. So let's find the slope and find the negative reciprocal. So we got 6y equals -12x plus 18. Divide everything by 6, and we get y equals -2x plus 3. So the slope is -2. So we need a slope that is +1/2, negative reciprocal. That's it. That is -1/2. We need +1/2. Let me just make sure. Yeah, B is the winner. Boom, done. Next, which of the following is equivalent to the above expresiones? Okay, so we're just going to FOIL it. 6 plus √3 times 6 plus root 3, distribute 36, distribute plus 6 root 3, distribute. How much time do I have left? 5 minutes left. I'm doing all right. Plus 6 root 3, and then distribute. Root 3 times itself is just 3. Add them together and combine those. We have 39 plus 12 root 3. C is the winner. Done. Next for number 10. Here we go. Which of the following is the solution to the equation above? Okay, obviously we're using quadratic formula. What's the easiest thing to do here? I'm going to multiply everything by root 3 to get rid of the radicals, okay? Because that would be root 3 times that is just 3t squared plus, no, because then we get 5 red 3. We still get a radical. I mean, obviously I can just plug it in. Okay, I'm just going to plug it into the quadratic formula. So b squared is 25 plus or minus square root of b squared 25 minus 4a. Oh, this is actually going to work out nicely. C over 2a, which is 2 red 3. Okay. Then what we get is 25 plus or minus square root of. So the reason why I thought this was good is because that becomes square root of 81. And again, these types of calculations I feel like are normally not on the no calculator section. Anyway, square root of 81 is, of course, 9. So it's 25 minus 4 times 9, which is 25 minus 36. 25 minus 36 is negative 11. So 25 plus or minus radical negative 11 over 2 rad 3. And then we want to get the radical out of there on the denominator. That's all they did there. So we multiply everything by rad 3, and we get 25 rad 3 plus or minus, and we can take the I out, and then now 11 is left inside times rad 3 is 33 over, rad 3 times rad 3 is 3 times 2 is 6. So 25, oh my God. That's supposed to be just 5. Why did I write 25? Because it's supposed to be negative b. I totally messed that up. Sorry, guys. So I just realized it when I was looking at the answer choices. I don't know why I wrote 25. Negative b is negative 5. Negative 5. Hold on one second. My bad. Negative 5. There we go. And then it's negative 5. So it's negative 5 rad 3 root 33i. So it looks like it's d. And just make sure I didn't make any other mistakes there. So negative 5 plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And then that's negative 11. So negative 5 plus or minus square root of negative 11. And then that's 6 on the bottom. And then it's negative 5 root 3. Yes. Okay, let's check it out. All right, we're going to see how we did. We got a few minutes left. So normally we want to, check all the work and whatnot, but it's all good. We're just going to see if we got anything wrong. And if we did, we'll check it. Here we go. No, we got them all. Okay. So the one that was weird, super weird was this one. Where is it? That inequal. This one. So this one's pretty strange. I think it's a bad question, to be honest. So I'm not a fan of it because it's confusing, but let's see if it even gives an explanation similar to what I said. So we know that x, okay. So we say, so it's the same idea. We know that x is greater than or less than or equal to a. So that's how we get this is less than, right? And that kind of makes sense. Just not a fan. I felt like it was highly confusing. All right, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. People caught it. The show DJ. You caught my b squared mistake, and yeah, that was pretty bad. But I caught it. Multiple choice, it's all good. Would be much more dangerous on the free response. So yeah, be careful. Know that formula. It can get even me. And the official PSAT from earlier this year, I can if it's released. I can only do stuff that has been officially released by the College Board. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today. Again, make sure you check out the stuff in the description link, mainly the video course if you want it. And again, if you're gearing up for this Friday, you can buy it for this week, even use it for a month or less, and then just cancel the subscription. Otherwise, check back for our free live streams. I'm going to be doing one every day to help you guys get ready and do your best And last but not least, join our Discord community once again. Because why? Because it's free and it's loaded with awesome people that care and that are really trying to help you other than just me. So it's a really cool community that we've got growing on Discord. So come and join and be a part of it. Thank you guys so much. I see it's 1 a.m. for some of you, 12 a.m. Thank you so much for joining. You're obviously dedicated and devoted to doing your best. So kudos to you. And I will see you guys in the next video.